After Builderall, James had an ambassador account, paying the fee. But in December a promise was made by them, so it seemed to be, if you stop paying you'll still be an affiliate. An empty promise it turned out to be, reduced commissions, but a deal nonetheless from Builderall. You see, one April came around, Builderall's words had turned. All his customers were gone, commissions unearned. The promise was broken, the rules had changed. Builderall's deceitful game, a bit of truth for James, his loyalty estranged. To Builderall's support he reached out with screenshots in hand, but their replies were nonsense none could understand. Browsing issues and emails, they just couldn't see the real problem at hand. His plea for clarity, Builderall's incompetence on display. Finally, Builderall admitted the terms were clear. Inactive accounts, no commissions that he made appear. James asked to withdraw his remaining 86, but the minimum was 100, a rule they couldn't fix. Builderall's inflexibility of 6 years with Builderall, a loyal customer. But now he wished to leave, his patience grew bitter. Pay me my last commissions, let me go in peace. A reasonable request, but Builderall wouldn't cease. But the rules were rigid, his pleas would not cease. Builderall's tables had turned, the rules had changed. A bitter truth for James, his loyalty estranged. The promise was broken, the deal went awry. Builderall's unethical stance, one can't deny. Some frustration, the customers cry. No exceptions, they said, the minimum would stay. Builderall's stubbornness, the price is $86, forever astray. A song of a broken promise, a deal